Hi everybody, we have a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with a 4.3 liter engine, 6-cylinder obviously, as you guys can see over here. 2015 4.3 liter engine. We have this car coming for one of our customers here in California. The name of the shop is Cactus if you want to follow us with our videos. We have a code on this vehicle that is a P06DA, which means engine oil pressure control circuit. So in order to find this problem on this vehicle, we have to check a couple things before we can determine what it is, right? So we hook up our computer and we find out that the oil pressure was all the time high on this vehicle. Even you was able to see it on the gate high all the time. So I came here and I checked the harness to this connector, and I found out that the harness is okay, but I find out that this connector over here, actually this connector, sorry guys, is this connector over here. It's a harness that is going through the oil pressure solenoid. The solenoid is in this area, and here you guys can see the connector, how the wire travels from here all the way to here to this solenoid. So what exactly happens over here, this connector got disconnected from the solenoid. This solenoid does regulate the oil pressure through the engine from the oil pump. But in order to find out all this, we have to take the water pump housing, the timing chain cover, as you guys can see, the AC compressor. You have to remove the alternator, you have to remove the vacuum pump, you have to remove the electric fans, the cooling fans, and also the oil pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this car up in the air so you guys can see how this cylinder looks like from the bottom. Okay. Alright, so we have here the oil pan. To remove this oil pan and the timing cover on this vehicle, it calls for almost 11 hours. So once you take the oil pan, you want to make sure before you put this back together that you're getting all the seals. Here is one of the seals for the pickup tube. Here is another seal for the engine oil cooler. Okay, so you want to make sure that you put those seals new when you start the oil pan. So now let's go back to the engine. Let me get a flashlight for you guys so we can see better everything right here. Alright, so here is the oil pump solenoid over here, as you guys can see it. Alright, and here is the connector. So once I take the oil pump, I find out that what happens over here, the connector got broken and got disconnected from the solenoid, and that's all it is. But once I got everything apart, I got to change the oil pump and the solenoid. Alright, this is a customer car and we don't want to take any risk to having this car coming back for oil pressure problems. So just make sure when you do this type of work that you put in all new seals. Alright, so I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys go through any of these problems, remember the code is P06AD, oil pressure circuit solenoid. So make sure before you do anything else, make sure that you got a good connector in front of the timing cover, and if you got that there, you have the signal from the computer. If you have all the wires fine, then you can go ahead and start taking this apart, and I'm sure you're gonna find a lot of these problems because this is really common problem. All right. Everybody have a good day. Thank you for watching us.